Hey, what's up, guys? UGR here. Man, quick vid, guys. Got these mini Z's right here, man. Got them in red and the white. Man, I love them both for us color-wise. I love the way the car look. I mean, the detail in this guy. I mean, the hood. This is a ZL1 package Camaro. I can see right here, man. It's a beautiful car. Both from the sides, you can see them got the canards in the front, everything, guys. You guys can see that, man. That's in the back, so you can see the exhaust pipes on there. Man, this car is beautiful, man. I'm waiting for this car for quite some time. Finally got him. So I'm trying to figure out which one I want to open up. So I have a red Corvette, and I have the McLaren in silver and orange. So I'm kind of leaning towards the white, just to have a different color in there. But I really love the way the red look. But yeah, I might do the white one. I'm not sure yet, but just wanted to show you guys these cars. I don't believe this one comes with the lights already installed, but I believe it does have the option. This is what you get: fully assembled chassis. You get a 2.4 synchro radio, the wheel wrench, pinion gear tool. Get some extra pinion gear, 7 tooth, 8 tooth, and 9. And you get your wheel nut and C-rings. You get your mini cones and all that. And this thing has, front adjustments, spacers, spare nuts, all that good stuff. What else? This is a rear-wheel drive version. You see it uses AA batteries. Man, I love driving these cars. They're so much fun. These are the optional things you could do to it. All right, these you can go brushes, all kinds of crazy stuff. You see, you get so it has the light unit connection socket up there. All right, then you have your high performance speed control, digital proportional steering system, front suspension, optional gyro connector, a gyro adjustment volume right there. I've never really messed with my other cars. I always left it to whatever it is set to, if it's even on. There's your rear suspension right there. Other side, just showing you what the box look like. All right, there's the circuit board. All right, just give me a little look over, and this is what the light kit stuff will be, optional LED light kits. That is not installed on this one, but the Corvette does have it. You have a full ball bearing. All right, there's 7 of them. And then back to the front, Mini Z rear wheel drive. Just install the battery, and you're ready to run. Open box, see? Open box, install batteries, ready to run. All right. This is a Mini Z rear wheel drive Camaro. This is a new one that just came out, guys. All right. All right, guys, now you're moving on to the unboxing. I am going to unbox the white one, just to break up the colors. So go pop her out, man. Have a look. I just love the quality and the detail in these Mini Z's, man. It's almost like the real ones. All right, so go ahead, pop this guy out. Pull her out. Got your manual down here and all that. Probably get your remote back in there. But I just want to show you guys just the detail in this guy. Let me go ahead and cut her out of there so we can move on. Take a look at this car. Got your little wire tire in the bottom. 2 of them finished. Alright. Get her out of there. It says get the scissors. Yeah, I should. get a scissors, but a little patient. All right. Got that. Cut that out the way. And to remove the body, I believe you can catch from the side. Just fall on out of there, just like that. Grab the hook. Oh, so this one actually does have the lights. Okay. This one actually has the lights. That was my fault, guys. Alright, got the battery doors like a Lambo door. Pull these little wire ties out. Alright, got one out. The next side of a Lambo doors for the batteries. Alright. Get that out. Second one. Yeah, I can't wait to see what these lights look like. So, you know, I never looked at to see what the gyro gain looked like, but it's a little button right in there. Probably can't see it too good, but that's where it is. Alright, so actually let me take the radio out. I will be needing the radio. So let's slide that out. So open that up. Get your little bag of little extra parts right here. Alright. Got your pylons and your tools and all that. And then your remotes. Synchro 2.4 gigahertz is just like the other ones. So I'm familiar with the remote. Put these parts back in the bag. And then you also, there's your manual right here. Everything you need to know about the car. Alright, so go ahead and put some batteries in here so we can, this is what the lights look like. Give you guys a closer look at what this car looks like. Alright, so the transmitter takes 4 AAA batteries. I know I said AA's earlier, but I clearly looked at the thing and said AAA instead of AA. But hey, it happens. Got the batteries in there. You just slide the cover back on. And then push it in. Voila. Make sure I have power. Got power, see it's flashing, so that's training mode. Alright. Now for the car is usually a little bit trickier. Let's get the batteries in there because not a weird way, but I have not taken the battery out of my other cars since I've had them. They actually last, at least for me, last pretty long. So it has the diagram, okay, so this one goes just like, and then the other one goes in the opposite direction. All right, just like that. And the other side, flip it over. And the other side, the diagram's in there as well. So like that. Slide that guy in there, boom. And the next one, slide that guy in there. Oh. All right. So then all you do now, to put the body back on, you slide this white piece here in the front. There's a little part you slide it in. It's molded out for it. And then just go ahead and you slide. The rest of the car has its own grooves. You kind of pop it to the side a little bit. So you slide on in. You know, I got that a little crooked. Hold on, guys. Messed up right here in front of the camera. All right. Oh. All right, here we go. All right, there we go. Well, actually, one thing, I actually forgot to slide the battery doors back on. So I gotta go ahead and do that, guys. Put call it the Lambo doors. It's real easy. You just kind of slide it over the hook. Drop it on in, guys. Just like that. All right, so now we redo how you put the body on. So see that little lip right there, little gray part. You slide this right in there. like that. And then slide it forward. You kind of peel it back a little bit, slide the rest of the car in, and voila. There you go. You guys a closer look at her. Show how that stuff works, but yeah. Got the canards in the front. All right, so let's go ahead and power her up and see what the lights look like and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna turn the radio on. She's in training mode, which is fine for now. And then there's a little switch down here at the bottom, right there. All right, you just go ahead, slide that forward. There you go. Got the light right now, it's strobing. I'm trying to remember which one it was. Oh. I'm trying to remember which one it is. Oh, channel 4. All right, so there you go. So right now it's on. You have to see the lights. Super bright, super nice. You see the brake lights. I believe the Corvette had brake lights, so it's forward. See the brake lights? Yep. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Yeah, guys, so I mean, that's pretty much the unboxing. Can't wait to get some running video on this guy. But these are really fun car, guys. If you get your hands on a Mini Z, man, it's so much fun. This remote, nice little feel to it. The steering on this car is super fast. You guys can see the wheel. I mean, it's super responsive. Yeah, man, fun little cars, guys. Fun little cars. Definitely can't wait to get my little track up and running. Been a little busy here. Got a bunch of boxes everywhere, so I gotta kind of get my area cleaned up so I can run this guy. But man, it is a beauty. It is a beauty, man. I love this little car. Gotta put some wax on it. But yeah, so that's what she looks like, guys. See, the light's pretty bright. See, shine on the wall. It's pretty bright. All right, so let me not hold you guys too long. I can sit here and look at this car all day and talk about it. But yeah, this is the new Mini Z Camaro ZL1 package in white. It's almost like a frost color, like an off-white. But yeah, man, it's a beautiful car, guys. So stay tuned. Look forward to that running video. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.